friends, good evening. This is Somal here. Welcome to PRCUMP. Today's session is regarding the alignment of the writing of content in a particular cell. Make a right click, go to Format Cell. Now change the alignment. Suppose I change to right and clicked on OK. So see, it will come by default as the center alignment. Again, if you make a degree of change, then increase or decrease here and click on OK. See, it gets little inclined position. So this is all about the inclination and alignment position in Excel sheet in a particular cell. This is all about the session. My name is Kamaldas, representing prcump.org.in. PRCUMP official website is prccump.org.in. Thank you for being with us, and thank you for requesting you to stay for more updates. Thank you. My email is astama6@gmail.com. Call is 84287915. Thank you, friends.